Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix touchscreen not responding on your TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and remove our screen protector or a case because it can cause a lot of interference. Let's start off with the case. If your case is going over the dark part and it touches the screen, so the dark part is basically our bezel. If it's going over it, then it interferes with our screen. We can basically not do anything, as you guys can see, and we cannot click on anything. So this what can happen, your touchscreen will be basically unresponsive or less responsive. Also, if your case is just made out of a bad dummy phone, you can try and get a new one, try and see if it fits. Now we also can remove our screen protector if it's too thick that our screen just cannot register our touches, or maybe because it's not applied perfectly on the screen, but it is applied, let's say, more to the side of the phone, more to the edges, more towards them. It happens, it's normal, but you need to remove it and place a new one. Now, what are we going to do next is we're going to clean our screen with a microfiber cloth. So what are we going to do is we're going to grab the microfiber cloth and give it a few swipes. So as you guys can see, we are now swiping on that screen. We're trying to make it look better. Make sure that it's clean and all. After we clean our screen, what are we going to do is we're going to simply restart our phone. So we're going to press the power button, and as you guys can see, we're going to keep on holding it. We do not touch anything. We are doing a forced restart, so that if your touches are unresponsive, you just wait for the phone to turn dark. Now you're waiting for the vibration and then you let go of your finger. Now it is turning back on. Those forced restarts are definitely faster than normal restarts, and they do refresh the system a lot faster, so you shouldn't be worried. After the restart, what are we going to do? As a last resort, we're simply going to update our software to fix any touchscreen glitches. So let's go over. As you guys can see, I told you it was really quick. The phone may lag because everything's loading up, but we're going to open up the settings. And here in the settings, we want to swipe all the way down into the system. Now in the system, we tap on system update and click on online updates. Sometimes it crashes randomly. It's the issue of the iOS. Now here we got your system is up to date. We can of course double check that, and we want to make sure that we are on the latest version. That's very important because you don't want any touchscreen glitches, especially the ones where your touchscreen is not responding. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.